Ramps for quarantine. Ooh.
Talk.
My name is Chuckles Craig, and I'm coming at you live right now with a weather update. There is all sorts of shit coming to smack us right in the fanny. Got full-fledged tornado warning under effect. Yeah! We're riding this one out, Bo! Alright guys, I'm literally about to sacrifice my life going Home Depot. Gonna try to get this light fixed so I can see in here while I'm building the ramp. I'm gonna try to get a battery for my drill. Crucial stuff. Is it worth my life? I don't know. See how it goes. Let there be light! Second coffee. We're chilling, dude. Coffee in quarantine, crucial. So, got all the wood, and it's time to start cutting stuff. Let's start building this thing, dude. Ramps for quarantine. Woo! Let's do it. So, the ramp is gonna go along this back wall, and the transition will be on this side and on that side. So basically this ramp, just like any ramp, is gonna be broken up into 3 pieces. And this side of the ramp, I will be able to detach and move over, so when we go on trips in the van and we need to park Amanda's 4Runner in here, it'll still fit. So yeah guys, the ramp's gonna be a little over 2 feet tall, and it's gonna be an absolute dreamer for sure. Always wanted to do this, and I'm so freaking stoked. So, woo! All right, so Amanda just went to a interview at Lowe's Foods for the bakery because her dream, I don't know if you guys know or not, is to own a bakery called, we won't tell you yet. We won't tell you what it's called, but she just got back from her interview, so.
As long as I pass my drug test.
What's up?
How are you doing?
Doing good.
It is humid.
How'd it go?
Well, I have a job as long as I pass the drug test.
Sick, but you will.
It was a saliva test. How long does weed stay in your system? Dad said 30 days.
Yeah.
It's probably been more than 30 days.
Usually 2 weeks.
It's been more than 30 days since I smoked or done anything, hasn't it? Did we? Oh, crap.
Might not.
Yeah, it hasn't been that long, has it? But like, I was in California, so it's like legal there.
What, did they tell you like what you'd be doing?
Yeah, I'd just be working in the bakery. And then they have a bakery and they have a cakery.
Sick.
So it's separate, but if I do good in the bakery, then I can possibly work in the cakery.
The cakery. The
So close.
cakery. Well, it's in Superview, so.
Making fatty foods to keep everyone fat during quarantine.
Ooh.
I wore my mask during the whole interview.
Nice.
Except when I had to do the saliva test.
Proud of you, BB.
Thanks.
Ah, yeah! Just a day later since I saw you guys, and we got so much done on the ramp. We got sheeting on this one and coping. Freaking stoked. And then I actually built an extension right here. So this is gonna be so sick. So this is 4 feet in total now. So that's freaking epic. But yeah, guys, building a ramp has been taking it out of me. I'll tell you what, I'm so sore and worn out, but gonna do some more today, and then, dude, this thing will be done really fast, hopefully. So I know building isn't like the funnest thing ever on the vlog, but I love documenting it and seeing my progress. And yeah, it's just super fun. But yeah, makes me happy. So whew, I'm gonna leave you guys with some skateboarding. Hopefully we will get hyped on it and wanna skate this ramp. So the dream. Love you guys. Here's some skating, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Phew.
No drip, this, tell 'em run it on.
cheat, no rest. Might crash, might, but first I tell 100 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and time.